One of the most common downsizing questions is, where do I start? And where you start is really with understanding your why. What is your motivation to make a change? It's a big life change, so you really need to understand that motivation in detail. So is it a desire for more freedom, less house to clean, reducing yard work, fewer repairs, fewer weekend chores, actually spending time on things that you want to do, spending time with traveling, wine tasting, grandkids, playing pickleball, that sort of thing. Another thing could be financial flexibility. Downsizing often frees up equity, reduces monthly costs, and removes financial pressure. Health and accessibility, planning ahead for mobility, wanting fewer stairs, or choosing a place you can stay in for many years to come, a house that would support that. Proximity to what matters, closer to family, be part of a community with more amenities that's offering amenities, social connection, or the lifestyle that you've been dreaming of for years. Whatever it is, be anchored in knowing your why. You will always go back to that. It'll serve you well. Making a life change is a big, big step. So there will be, challenging times when making those changes, and go back to your why, and that will keep you grounded. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next round.